Okay guys, good afternoon. I'm Dr. JMB, CRBN Ambassador. So ngayon, mag-quick review lang ako about this CRBN new paddle, and we call it the CRBN True Foam Barrage. So kakalabas lang nitong product na to, and it is a very nice upgrade, no, from CRBN paddles. So ano ba tong CRBN Barrage, no? This is relentless by design, and it is a true foam, and at the same time it's a floating foam core design. So bali ano siya, USA Pickleball approved, Pickleball Core 43 certified and UPA Pro certified. Okay, this one. So the CRBN products na yung mga paddle nila, it's always come with the four types, no? We have the 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this one is the True Foam Barrage 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. So ano yung difference nila? So ito yung, they have this chart here kung ano yung difference nila, no? So yung one, it's an elongated long handle paddle, and it focus more on reach and offense. The two, it is the square type, and it is more on the defense and resets. The three, this is the elongated, and it focus on consistency and forgiveness. And the last is yung the type 4, and this is the hybrid type or the aero curve, and good siya, more on improving yung hand speed and attack. So yung mga sa kitchen na mahilig, gusto nila mag-speed up at saka mabilis yung reflex nila, so yung type 4 yung pinakamaganda. So for me, I usually use the type 1, which is the elongated and long handle paddle. So this one is the type 1. Type 1. So long handle siya, and long handle at saka elongated type siya. So saktong-sakto yung yung grip ko, especially pag mag-double handed backhand ka. And ang good din with the elongated and long handle paddle, kasi ako hindi ako matangkad, so mas mataas yung magiging reach ko. Okay? And ano yung about this barrage? So again, this is the True Foam Core. For the information, yung CRBN naman, they are the first yung mga pioneer in making true foam paddle, no? Isa sila sa mga pioneer talaga. And this barrage again is a True Foam Core, and it's a 4th gen na rin siya, and it is designed to have maximum pop and power. So yung focus ng barrage is they balance yung power at the same time yung control. So yun naman yung trend ng mga new paddles nowadays, no? 4th gen, then focus on the control, and if you need power, there's a pop for power. So ito yung product ng CRBN, no, to compensate with that need. Usually sa mga new generation ng mga players, yun yung hinahanap nila. And this one also, it's no core crash, no? Advantage of foam paddle compared to the honeycomb. Yung honeycomb kasi most of them is nagko-core crash siya. So ito, walang core crash to kasi nga foam paddle siya. Okay? And maximum spin and dwell. Okay? This is a good for maximum spin. And at the same time, this is a carbon fiber reinforced edges. So mas matibay siya dahil yung edges niya is reinforced with carbon fiber. Especially sa perimeter niya, no? So again, this is a True Foam Barrage. It's a very nice paddle by CRBN. This one. And according to them, basahin nyo na lang yan. Okay? Again, this is Doc JMB, CRBN Ambassador. Thank you.